All this my customer said, but I don't even know why they used to do this kind of thing to me. I don't know. They go and cut their hair. After cutting their hair, they will now be thinking that I need to braid my hair, I need to change my look. There are some people that even like after 2 weeks of cutting their hair, they will now come. I hate it, please. Can you? I want to braid my hair. Please, can you pick it? Ẹjọ́ ń dúró lọ́wọ́ ẹjọ́ máa ṣàánú àwa braiders náà. Ọwọ́ yìí ló máa ń fàbọ̀ sí ẹjọ́. Ọwọ́ ló máa ń fàbọ̀ sí orí èékánná báyìí ló máa tàyàn. It's not fair. So this is my customer. She was a first-time customer, and when she chatted me, she said, "Please, I want to braid my hair. I need to braid my hair, and I don't want it to be painful." But you know, short hair, it has to be painful. Actually, I first rejected it. I'm so sorry, I won't be able to do it except if you can do braids. But at times, there are some hair that I will reject. If I reject them and I end up doing it, trust me, the hair will end up being the best. When I actually finish the hair, even me move off. Look at it. See how short it is. Joe,